In a beautiful forest lived a little rabbit named Tipu. Tipu was very mischievous and always eager to explore new places. In one corner of the forest stood a very old and deep well. The elder rabbits always warned
Tipu,
Tipu.
stay away from that dark well. It's very dangerous.
One day, one of Tipu's friends said, "I heard that right next to the well, there is a sweet jam and dairy tree." Tipu's mouth began to water. He thought, "I'll just go to the edge of the well, eat only one jamon, and come back right away. What harm is there in taking a small risk?" That night, when everyone was asleep, Tipu quietly went toward the well. The jamon tree was really there, filled with sweet, juicy fruits. Overjoyed, Tipu sat under the tree and began eating the jamons. When he turned to go back, his foot slipped because the soil there was wet. Tipu crashed into the moss-covered stone wall around the well. He wasn't badly hurt, but he was so scared that he couldn't move. He spent the whole night sitting there, trembling. The well's deep, dark opening looked like a terrifying monster. His mischief had brought him dangerously close to disaster. In the morning, his parents found him and helped him away from the edge of the well. Back home, Tipu didn't mention the jamon or his mischief. He only felt ashamed for not listening to his elders. Moral: never ignore the advice of your elders out of greed or mischief. The danger they warn you about is often something you understand only when you fall into it.
From that day on, Tipu never ignored the advice of elders, no matter how tempting or curious he felt.